Greetings. Today, I'm excited to walk you through using Morph Studio, a tool for creating animations. We'll explore various animations, including some realistic ones and anime styles, all accessible through Morph Studio's website, morphstudio.xyz. To get started, visit the Morph Studio Discord server by clicking Join via Discord on the landing page. Once you're in, select a channel for your project, such as 7. Now let's delve into creating animations. We have two main options: text to video and image to video. For text to video, input your prompt, choose the aspect ratio, and explore settings like motion intensity and duration. Similarly, for image to video, upload your image, input a prompt if desired, and adjust settings like motion and FPS. The Discord server provides detailed tutorials on using these tools, so don't worry if you're new to animation creation. After setting up your project, let Morph Studio work its magic. Once the animation is generated, you can review and refine it to your liking. Now, let's watch our creations come to life. Play the generated animations to see the results. If you're not satisfied, you can shuffle to generate alternative versions.